So here's how you can get macOS 26 beta update on your MacBook Air or Mac Mini. So simply head over to Safari, search for Apple Beta. Once you go to the official website, you'll get a list of the Apple Beta software program. So you just need to select the device where you want your beta OS update. So since we are talking about Mac OS 26, we'll be selecting Mac OS. Once you select that, you'll land on this page where you'll get a list of all the devices and all the beta software updates. You simply need to scroll down, sign in with your Apple ID and enroll into beta updates. That's it. Once you're done, once your device is enrolled into beta updates, simply visit the settings. Under the settings, if you go to general and software update, by default, you will have, if you click on beta updates, by default, you will have turned it off, right? So simply what you need to do is click on it, select beta updates and select the beta update that you want once you're enrolled, and that's it. And once you check for an update, you will be presented with the Mac OS 26 beta update and you can install it. Thank you.